So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate leverage on Exness. So you can do it a couple different ways. The first one obviously would be to use the Exness calculator. So opening up your Exness account, just make sure that you're logged in, but you can go to your Exness leverage calculator. So you can use your trading calculator on there. So calculate pips, margin, spread, commission, and more with the Exness trading calculator. So through there, you can calculate commodity stocks and indices, crypto. So for your standard account type, for currency, lot, and your leverage, you can also calculate some other stuff as well. But if you click on this, you can see how much the margin is, spread cost, swap short, pip value, and so on. So you can also choose between different leverages and use this calculator to your advantage so you can get a boost in the trading market. So you can use that trading calculator to help you out with making your decisions on Exness. So once you started using it, you can see the benefits of giving you more time to not think about this, for example, and instead use your time with or waste your time on something else. You don't have to manually calculate it every single time, so you can know what leverage is the best. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.